Did I tell you guys the madness that happened? So we're here with the new LCC cream.
There you go. And just look back at...
Got ignition, get drawing paper. It's time for the twerkinator. I feel like I could fight Mike Tyson. Hey guys, how are ya? So it's Saturday. When I say I had the most laziest lie-in, I feel like my club's been doing so much this week. And I'm trying to take weekends just to rest. So I can't believe I'm starting the vlog on a Saturday. So this week is it's probably gonna be a long vlog because this week's kind of busy. But I want to show you some bits that I've gotten because I received quite a few packages today. My place is a freaking mess. So you guys know, I have to say, you know, Jackie Anna's brand, Forever Mood, is probably one of the best candle brands I've ever tried. I'm not gonna lie. When I was burning, hold on, is it Skinny Dipped? So I got Skinny Dipped. I got one of these because I wasn't banging this one. Hey, Big Head. This has, doesn't it say the notes on there? Oh, this smells. This is the one where when I burnt it, everyone out there was asking what it was. Banging. And I've got some of her Forever Slay Christmas edition, just because I thought if I'm gonna get candles, it's not worth it for the shipping. I'm also just get some more. Gingerbread Trap House smells incredible, and I also got You Up. This has like notes of vanilla and other stuff, but apparently this smells different when you burn it. So I'll let you guys know in the upcoming week how I love them, but I'm definitely gonna burn one of these tonight. I'm so excited. Got myself some Crocs. Crocs were so nice enough to send me these. What are those? How cute. I got some white ones. Freaking cute. And they send these charms, which I'm definitely gonna be adding to my bag. We're back. My control is working now. So my control wasn't working for ages, and I had to like replace the batteries, you know, with those little circle ones. And it wasn't working for like maybe 40 minutes. I was like, oh my God, how is this controller broke? I've had this camera less than a year, and the battery had this sticker on there. It's so flipping annoying. Let me show you the battery. I'm so tired, guys. Honestly, this is the battery here. Can you see how that was what it looks like? I literally just did a massive food shop because you guys know I'm eating clean. I'm gonna lose that weight. Tesco was so scary. It was just like there was so much crazy people in there, like shouting, doing a madness. I just feel like, oh my God, like what the fuck is going on? Happy Sunday. What's going on? I need to get that fixed. Like I need to call my building management because that's been popping off. I can't really hear because these headphones were a bit noise cancelling. I'm literally gonna go for a walk. I was gonna run, but sometimes running's just too intense, so I'm gonna try and just do a 5K walk and have it aim for 10K. Today's pretty chill, really dead. I need to upload the vlog, which is going up in maybe an hour and a half, and then I need to record some content. But my hair is looking a mess, so hopefully I can get that done this week. Just got back from my run. I had a shower. It was honestly so crazy. Like I did 7,000. Hey Google, stop! Yeah, I'm literally just about to make some content, and it's gonna be quite a chill day. This unit is, it's gonna be an issue. Hold on, top my headband. Oh, but anyway, yeah, check with you guys later. Hey, I was even gonna say now, I literally just clicked it. I'm not sure if I vlogged it, but did I tell you guys the madness that happened? So basically, I was using my NutriBullet. I've had it for like maybe 4 or 5 years. And I don't personally stand next to microwaves and NutriBullets because, listen, when a thing's going so fast, something's like bound to happen. So anyway, I'm going to the next room, less than 10 seconds, all here is bang! Bang! And obviously the NutriBullet obviously had blown up, so I bought a new, I didn't get a NutriBullet again because I'm just so sick of them. Like, and so many of you guys actually said that you've had so many bad experiences with a NutriBullet, and to be honest, mine was quite old, but it just shouldn't be doing that, so I'm just over it. So this is the one I got. This is a Ninja 2-in-1 blender, so anyway, morning, how are you? I've got different lenses and I always make me feel like these make me look like a low-key vampire, so it's a bit crazy. Today again, obviously I know this week's busy, but my Monday and Tuesday are a bit more quieter. I'm going to the dentist, I told you guys. I'm not sure I told you, but I lost my feeling. So when I went to Dubai the first time for my birthday, when me and my friends were in mid-air, we were all talking like on the plane, and I literally chewed like a gummy sweet, and my filling actually came out. At first I lost a tooth, but it wasn't a tooth. Well, it was half a tooth. But anyway, I'm gonna get a hygiene done today before I get my filling put in. Hold on, is it the hygiene today, the filling? I think it's the hygiene actually. How long is that appointment? I need to check. I'm actually thought it was the filling. Oh, Alpha coming over. They've got another surprise. Well, it's not a surprise. Well, I already have the Camel CC foundation, but they're basically launching it, and they want to come around our house. Well, I'm not sure they're gonna do this, but they're gonna give us a demo from an artist. So let's see what this is like. You guys are gonna see the whole shebang. So we're here for the new LCC cream. They literally got a cab to celebrate the new launch, and guys, we're loving the tones of this cab. It's so cute.
There you go. And just look back at us for a sec. Awesome. And look back at the wheel. Yay, you got a price. What is it, 15% discount?
That was cute. Elf gave us a new... I'll probably give these away because I've already got these. The new CC cream. It's not even new. Well, it's been out in America for a while. Already have them. What else do they give me? A foundation spar brush. Maybach music. Oh, my nails are so long to cut them actually. Annoying me. Putty eye primer. But where are the snacks? Huh? What's going on, guys? I'm in my underwear. I started to put the camera up this way. I'm literally just making some chicken. I'm following this TikTok recipe, which I just love. I'm cooking like... Imagine I had this like mad problem where I couldn't even defrost my fish properly. But it's fine. I'm actually adding some Greek yogurt to the chicken. It's actually a banging TikTok recipe. I'll try and share it. I think did I vlog when I came back from the dentist? I'm not sure if I did anyway. But I just had a little hygiene clean. I need to get a filling next week, which should be cute. And then I need to film after this actually. I need to film for... She said half a cup in it. I need to film for tomorrow. I'm not sure why I'm in such a good mood today. I think because I also got 12k steps in. I'm not sure if I did a vlog. I need to look back on the footage, but yeah. I did 12k steps, guys. I'm gonna try and do 15 tomorrow. I'm gonna make it my goal. It's 1:10. I just finished this makeup. It's all matte and Naomi inspired 90s Kevin. Oh, quite look. I'm literally gonna iron this shirt and take some content right here because I need to get a picture of this makeup like that bitch. Gotta ignite, look at throwing paper. It's time for the twerkinator.
She's an icon.
I almost broke my ankle, so I'm gonna try and make these fluffy pancakes. Okay, let's try. Ooh, how do I release this? I didn't tell you guys I bought a new blender, right? Did I tell you about my NutriBullet almost killed me? Child, okay, so it's a TikTok recipe. I'm gonna try it. Voila, bitches. How cute is it? We're gonna add some low fat maple syrup, but it just looks so freaking cute. I cannot wait to see this better taste now, so I'm definitely suing the guy on TikTok. God, it stopped raining. Oh my God, I feel so good. I literally got my back cracked, everything. It feels mad, like, oh my God, it stopped raining, but I feel so light as a feather. Oh my God, I feel fucking good, bitch. Oh, where the map is it? But okay, I'm literally, oh my God, I feel amazing. I'm gonna leave all these details in. It was so good. Like, guys, this guy is booked up for 3 months and that's on par. Let me just stand here because, oh my God, I feel fucking amazing. I feel like I could fight Mike Tyson. So I'm just home. Green Chernobyl from Joe & Juice. It's actually really nice. What's that else? I got something else from them actually, which was really good. I'm so tired. In 40 minutes I have a Zoom session with Mac. My hair looks mad. Hoping my hairdresser can come. He hasn't messaged me, but I've got a shoot tomorrow, so I'm just a bit worried that if I don't get it done, I'm gonna look so mad on the shoot, and like, I'm not sure what's going on in my unit, but it's like shedding. Not shedding, but it's just, oh, it's just so nice. The last thing I want, and plus, I've just found out that like, I've got a job with someone, and I thought it was actually due for April, which it says on the brief, but they want it 2 weeks early, which is just a bit like, whoa. So I have to do that, but that's not due for Monday now, but I'm actually run down. I went to bed at 3, and if you guys have an iWatch, it's this thing called Sleep Cycle, and it actually just measures your quality of sleep and stuff and like how you sleep. So yesterday I had a 68% sleep, so the quality is okay, but it's not amazing. I had 5 hours of sleep, and my sleep, you can see by the bars there, it's up and down. And actually, like guys, it records you if you make any sort of movements or like any sounds. And I snort. I don't snort normally, but like.
Mental institution. Crazy. Bitch needs straight jacket.
So embarrassing. So I'm gonna eat this and try and get ready for this soon, and hopefully my hairdresser can come. So this is a painting we're doing with Mac. We're actually doing it on this mirror, which should be so cool. So this is the black cherry collection here. So. I just got my hair done and my battery's probably gonna go on my camera. I didn't even record it just because I'm so tired today. My battery's gonna go so ghetto. My shoot's tomorrow, so you guys, I'm gonna try and vlog behind the scenes, but if I can't, I'm gonna be so annoyed. But if not, I'm gonna vlog it anyway because, child, my battery's gonna die. I'm probably gonna head to bed so I can be fresh for the shoot tomorrow, and that is on per. But if not, I should see you guys tomorrow. But how cute. Obviously my neck, I think I've vlogged since I got home really, I'm not sure, but my neck feels amazing. Morning guys, oh my god, so basically I have my shoot. So let me tell you what, let me give you a scenario what happened. So I woke up at 6:30 to try and get these Yeezy foam runners. 6:30 a.m. The Adidas Ash crashed because everyone was trying to get these trainers. It was crashed for 20 minutes and then I didn't end up getting them because I didn't win the fucking raffle. So I was like, okay, whatever. So then I tried and go back to sleep, couldn't sleep. Then I slept, woke up, got a message from a manager saying that the shoot was supposed to be for 1:30 today, but they now want me to come in for 11 o'clock. But I'm like, that's crazy because if that would have happened, I wouldn't have woke up for the Yeezy thing. So I was like, that obviously got so my manager was obviously like, that's crazy, that's mad. So anyway, they changed it back to original time. So then I obviously have to get a COVID test as well, which I'm gonna do now. It's a rapid COVID test because obviously everyone has to be safe. So I'm gonna get that. It's literally down the road from me. I'm using this roller called Ice Coolie from Skin Gym. You can definitely get them cheap on Amazon, which I'll link in my bio, but these are so good. Had my COVID test. Look at my eye. My eye's been playing out. I think because I would have been having 4 hours or 3 hours of sleep a day. I'm trying to get my water intake in. Oh my god. Oh, I'm just sweating. Baby, so much. That's why
It's 12:22 p.m.
So I'm literally just doing my makeup for this shoot. I was putting on a bronzer. I'm putting on Morphe Leader. I haven't used this for so long. They did have an MEO for me at the shoot, but I've had my makeup done before and I really don't like it unless like I really know the person's style. And I feel like, you know, when you do shoots and stuff, especially on video, you just want to look bad. You want to look like a bad bitch. You want to look so beat. Do you know what I mean? Like, obviously, I know I'm like kind of natural kind of makeup flex because I'm at home, but if it's a shoot, sorry, I need to look plastic, bitch. So foundation I've used, what did I use for foundation? I used NARS Soft Matte, mixed it with the Gucci one. Look how good it looks. Listen, everything was going wrong today, like everything, but it's fine. I'm using this milk brush. So fucking good for bronzer. I don't want to get it in my hair because I don't really need like foundation on my forehead, but this is such a flipping vibe. I'm gonna show you that if I'm wearing, but purr, bitch, purr. Like, I actually hate rushing. Like, my nose contour looks very, I just look like a whore. Do you know what I mean? Got home. I am so, oh my god, look, you can see how much of a mess my room is. It's crazy. Oh my god, this is not cute light. Don't mind that, this is not cute light at all. Like, oh, I'm just so tired. I had to like postpone Sip and Slay because I just knew I wouldn't be in my all for it. I haven't been as tired in a while. I think it's because it's my first day full time kind of like at work because it's a shoot, but child, I'm gonna try and get early night tonight because I'm still tired from getting up for the Yeezy madness, but ciao. Morning. It's not even morning, it's blatantly like 4:19 in the flipping afternoon, but I feel like a lazy little bitch. Look at this vest I got from H&M. It's women's, but I kind of love it. Today I've done absolutely nothing. How cute is this? That Tasia got me. How cute is it? It says sip and slay. This will be cute match though, but this glass is heavy, like it's quite weighty, but I love it. And she got it in black because she just knows. She knows the vibe. If she would have got it me in like a cream, it would have been cute, but she just knows like the black and gold. She got this as well. Tasia is so flipping cute. These just came in from Pat McGrath. They actually sent me this basically 4 months earlier than the release, but because I moved and someone in my building wanted to steal my flipping PR package, I couldn't get them, so they sent me them again. So yeah, also got the new Fenty foundations. I might record a review tonight actually. Okay, I thought someone was watching me and I got so scared. I just got a box in from HelloFresh. Oh my god, my place is such a flipping mess. Wait, I can't even pick it up with one hand, but I'm probably gonna cook and meal with you guys. I'm gonna let you guys know how it is. It's not a sponsor or anything. You guys know, I basically just wanna see if I can, I don't know, I feel like I can cook, but I wanna just learn how to do new recipes and stuff because I've been eating well so this week and I actually lost weight. Like I've lost body fat, which is amazing to me because it's not like I'm obese, but I've definitely gained lockdown weight, which is fine, but sis, we're trying to bag rappers out here and we can't be looking mad. So this is the HelloFresh box meals, and the meals I chose are quick and sticky prawns, sweet and sour style chicken, and they send it all in this way. Ooh, oh my god, look, what is that? What's this? It's ice. Oh wow, they've got like a proper ice cooler in there. I've never tried this. I've actually bought this myself. You actually get 50% off your first box. And then I think 35% of the other one, so it works out quite cheap, and plus you can choose the servings and stuff. So I'm probably gonna cook one of these for the week. I'm gonna let you guys know how this is. Again, this is not out of this myself. Tasia uses it as well, so I just thought let me just try it out because you guys know I'm trying to level up my cooking skills and stuff. So okay, so I have, which is quite cute, sweet and sour style chicken. It says the number on here, number 6. It's my first time using this, and it says number 6 there, and it says 2 people, but I eat for 2 people, so that's totally fine. I mean, how much milk did I get in here? Was it 3? Oh yeah, I only chose 3. And I also got the fillet steak with potatoes, and oh, this sounds lovely. This is the premium one, so this takes 30 minutes, so what number is this? 30. Where's 30? Am I getting confused? Does it send me the wrong thing? Oh, what have I got? Oh no, I've got 4. I've got a mango chutney with glazed chicken wraps. Ooh, how long does this take? Mango chutney with glazed chicken wraps. This sounds amazing. Ooh, which one should I cook? I feel like I want something quite quick, so I'm gonna do the sticky prawns because I'm hungry. Plus I've gotta get ready for sip and slay. So, okay, so we're gonna make this quick meal called quick sticky prawns just because I'm so hungry. So it takes 15 minutes, very hot. Excuse me? What in the hot ones challenge is going on? Okay, I'm gonna try and make this, so wish me luck guys. And if it's not good, I'm gonna let you guys know the truth to you because I don't want you guys wasting your coins. This is the finished look guys. Sprinkle it with coriander. We've got sticky rice. I'm not sure about the rice, but anyway, yeah, the prawns are cute and everything tastes really good. I just feel like sticky rice is so hard to make, but I think it was cute. It definitely took like, it was really, really quick, but to be honest, how hard is a stir fry to make? But I'm gonna end the vlog here, guys, because my ass is tired. Plus, I've got to get ready for Sip and Slay. Yeah, so I've got some exciting videos launching next week, and then the charity bags will launch on Wednesday, so you'll get notified about that on Wednesday's video. And yeah, so make sure you guys are ready, and I'll explain all the terms and conditions in next Wednesday's video. Hope you guys have a lovely weekend. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for always supporting me and commenting down below and being like, early gang, love you guys, have a good weekend.